Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Draco Malfoy from Harry Potter. So let's get started. To draw Draco, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. It's going to be nice and wide. So I'm going to come right across, about right here, and connect it at the bottom of a curve. Okay, so we have a basic wide bottom of a U. Then I'm going to come back to where I started in this area right here and draw a circle for the eye. Same thing on the other side, about right there. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. Same thing over here. So thank you, Draco Cuties, for your constant request for me to keep drawing Harry Potter for you. And so I'm really happy that I got to draw Draco here. And hopefully you'll love adding him to all my other Harry Potter drawings I've done so far. And definitely let me know in the comments below what other characters you want me to draw. Okay, so I have the eyes in. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to add a curve right here to the eye. Just add a little curve right there. So this just tapers into the eye. Just a soft curve, just to make it more human-like. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the center about in this area, and I'm just going to give Draco here kind of like a very slight smile, kind of straight and with a slight curve. There. I didn't think it would be right to give him too much of a nice smile, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come to the side right here. And I'm going to draw a curve for the ear, and then two curves, and same thing on the other side. So about right here, and a curve. You want to make him kind of look a little bit mean, right? Not too nice. Okay, so we have the two ears in. Now to draw the hair. So I'm just going to imagine an oval. So, and his hair parts to the side. So just say about nice and round, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to start with the first curve coming this way, really close to his eye. And I'm going to add, let's see here, about 2 strands. And then whatever space I have left, I'll just finish it off. And so then on this side, I'm going to come over this way and add my strands. So just keep going, maybe 2 going this way, and then I'll have some going this way. And we just want to bring it right back and tuck it in. There. So then this is where his hair parts. I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve. About right there. I'll stop, and this side's going to come down, and this side's going to go up. So right here, just bring in a curve and tuck it right back into his ear. And on this side, we're just going to go up, about right there, and then start to bring it down. So I'm giving it some angles. As you notice, don't make it too round. We don't want to make it too round. So just make it more realistic with some angles and tuck it in. There. And if you like, you can add some parting lines right here where his hair parts. Some details if you like. Just taper everything in. Okay, so then now his eyebrows. So let's come about right in this area, and I'm just gonna come in here, give him a soft arc for his eyebrow and just thicken it up a little bit. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, whatever space you have left, just tuck it in. And we're pretty much done with his face. Now to draw his body. So I'm going to come right here nice and wide because we have to draw a collar on him. So about right here and here. And then his shoulders will come out. There. And so then I'm going to come into the center right here and draw like a V. And then from this point right here, these 2 points that you created, I'm going to just give myself a point in the center and connect it with a curve. From there, let's come inside right here and draw some details. So I'm going to come to this center point and come out for his collar right there. 2 curves, 2 slight curves, and then in the center we're going to add his tie. So 2 angles connected, and then 2 more that come down on both sides. Okay, so then from there, let's imagine his armpit area. So I'm just going to say about right here. Line, and give myself a point, and I'm going to just draw a slight angle line on both sides. And then let's come right back right here in this area, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down for his robe. And same thing over here. So right here. So we're just slowly building his robe area. So let's bring this down more. And I'm just going to kind of say about right here, I'm going to add a line. So it breaks up his top part. And another detail line right here and here as well. Almost forgot. For his sweater. And then now we can come down a bit more. About right here, I'm going to add a slight angle line. And from this slight angle line, I'm going to bring in 2 lines that come out for his pants. So then from there, I can keep coming down with this robe. And I'm going to start to flare it out. So we're going to end it right here. So let's keep bringing this down. And about right there, I'll end the robe. So let's bring this and connect it with a curve. And same thing on the other side. Okay, so then now let's continue his pants. I'm going to bring this down. And about right there, bring in another angle line to taper it off and connect it. And now for his shoes. So nice, simple shoes, just come out with a curve and connect. So slight curve right here and connect. Okay, so then now his arms. So let's bring this robe out. And we're going to end about this area right here for his hand. So just going to bring the robe about right there and curve it in. So then for his hands on this side, let's have him holding a wand. So let's come right here and I'm going to draw a thumb. And then on the sides right here, angle out a little bit and just tuck it in. And then right in here, let's draw the wand. There. Okay, so then the other hand's much simpler, just to his side. So I'm just and make sure I'm ending up at the same area, right there. And curve and connect. So same thing for his hand on this side, just a thumb. And then his fingers on it. And just tuck it in. Oops. I made a mess. But there, I got his hands in. Okay, and that is, oh, and then the robe bar right here. Oh, almost forgot. Let's come about right here. And we're just going to draw a curve. That kind of just tapers into the robe. So same thing here. Just draw a curve and taper it. And if you like, you can just pop this up a little bit so it looks like it's going above. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love how this drawing of Draco Malfoy from Harry Potter turned out, and that inspires you to draw it and add it to all the rest of my other Harry Potter drawings. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already, so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.